Hello friends, Namaskar. This is Dr. Avinash Deshpande. Today we are going to see about Chinese New Year. Actually today is 24th of January 2021, but this is as per the English calendar. The new Chinese year has not yet started. It is going to start on 12th of February. So I think another 2 weeks are there, 2 3 weeks to go for the Chinese New Year. So let us try to understand what is going to happen in the universal chi energy. When I say chi energy, you will be interested. What is that chi? Chi means prana shakti or the universal energy which is flowing in our body or in our house that can be tracked through Vastu or Feng Shui principles, what we say, flying star theory and all. So today I am going to discuss with you about the new Chinese year. Before starting this episode, I wish all the viewers a very prosperous year. Of course, the good health I wish particularly to everyone. Because last year, a lot of people have suffered or they have seen their family members or the friends suffering because of the corona disease and new type of corona varieties or what you can say is the mutations are coming from Africa or maybe even in China. There's something new has been found. Even in India, I think today 153 people have been infected by the new corona disease. So health is very important. I always say to the viewers. So first of all, I wish a good sound health to everyone. So let us begin this episode for this health. I am going to put 3 4 episodes to you. So those who are interested in really learning this Feng Shui, because this is one of the great science which can tell you about the energy changes. So you should be attentive. So let us start with this. Now, before we start, let us see what is the last year. So last year was the actually young metal rat year. So when I say young metal rat year, maybe it is going tangential to you, or if you are not getting the understanding of what I'm talking, so let me make it clear to you. So particularly the Chinese years are as per the Hisa calendar which they use, and in that there is the two elements which are there. Last year it was the young metal rat. Yang means yin and yang. The concept of yin and yang is nothing but day and night or the positive and negative. You must have seen that yin and yang symbol. So without day, the night has no meaning, or without night, day has no meaning, or without, or you can say the male energy, female energy. So the completion is with the yin and yang. Today we are going to discuss the last year, particularly when the corona was there. Why it was there? It is the young metal rat year. See, in as per Chinese, there are 12 animals, particularly the people who were born last year. These people were called as the rat people. Now the people who are born maybe are going to born in this year, and they will be considered as an ox. They say, look, those what happens is in India we have the actually in our system we have the rashis, or you say, signs particularly. So you say Aries born, or if it is Taurus born, or Libra and all. These are the signs. Like that, in Chinese, they people or the whosoever is born, they are known by the year. So if you are born on the ox year, so there are 12 animals basically, and there are 5 elements. So those who are interested in learning this, we normally teach this in seminars in great detail. So there are 5 elements particularly. What you could see, it is maybe on the chart. There are 5 elements, which is first element is the water element. Water gives rise to the wood. So second element is the wood. Third element is the fire, and fire produces the earth. So fourth element is the earth, and fifth one is the metal. So these are the 5 elements, and there are 12 animals, starting from the rat, ox, and so on. So basically, if you see that the combinations are 60 because 5 metal, 5 elements and 12 animals. So the 60 years cycle is there. Yes, last year in 2020, it was young metal red year. See, if you see that what we have to write is on the top young metal and bottom we have to write red. And upper portion is called as the heavenly stem and the down portion or numerator is called heavenly stem and denominator or the down portion is called earthly branch. So we have to consider always how will be the year. Everyone is curious. और आप सब लोगों को we are interested कि कैसा मुझे ये साल जाएगा और how will be this coming year. So you have to understand the elemental cycle to the greater depth. Once you understand the relations between the elements, आप खुद जान सकते हो कि how will be the year for me or for anyone for that matter, and that is what we are going to see. तो जैसे कि दोस्त लोग आप जानते हो कि लास्ट ईयर वाज द again I am saying young metal rat year. Rat is the animal which is particularly linked with the as per Chinese with the water element, and metal produces the water. That is why last year we have seen the corona disease or the diseases related with the actually your lungs or the respiratory systems and the kidney. See, now as per on the screen, let me put it on the screen, clear things to you. That on the right side of the screen, you could see the generation cycle, which is the 5 elemental cycle. And in the middle of the screen, you could see the organs or the parts of the body which are getting linked with these 5 elements. So basically, let me tell you, water is the element which is linked with your kidney and on. Then wood is your element which is the vertical parts of the body, or it is the liver which is under wood element. Then the fire is the heart element, or the eyes even is the fire element. Then what is the earth? Earth is the spleen, or it is the large intestine. And finally the metal is the respiratory system or the lungs. Now last year there was the absence of fire element. Even in this year 2021, what we see, this is the year we are going to discuss, which is in metal ox year. So when I say in metal ox year, again heavenly stem is in metal and bottom, which is denominator, is the ox, means the animal is ox. Luckily, the animal ox is having 3 hidden elements inside it. The first element what is it is having is hidden element is earth, second is metal, and third one is water. So basically, these elements are supporting to the in metal, but there is an absence of particularly the fire energy, fire element, and the wood element. So particularly what we are interested in seeing is the absence of fire element. And because fire is absent, the people are going to face again the immunity power or immunity problem. So how will be the across the globe, what we will see, entire world will face again this corona type of problem or the problem related to the lungs or the respiratory system. So what is important is you have to keep your immune system intact. If you really want to stay alive, then you have to see that how perfect you can could keep to yourself, because fire element is going to be absent. Not only in this year, again 2-3 years this problem is going to be there. So I don't want to make the people nervous, but the fact is same, that overall next 2021, 2022, 23 also 2-3 years we are going to face, or the entire world is going to face the problem of the particularly the lungs or the respiratory system and the kidneys and all. And because of these 2 elements are getting problematic, the load, because fire controls metal, and that is why absence of fire. So it is a heart problem will also going to be increased, because particularly heart is controlling this metal and it is not there, so it has to work quite strongly onto it. So basically, the another problem which is because of the wood is because of wood we get the problem of the liver, but that will not be that much. But the earth problem again will be there because too much of the earth gets extracted, or what we say is the digestive system. That can be a problematic to the people. Now, who will get affected particularly? If you want to know, you have to take the consultation because it is generalized. We cannot tell you what will happen to you in particular because we don't know whether you are rat animal, whether you are as per your birth, your sign of the this thing, animal sign is whether it is rat or ox or anything, sheep or anything else. Again, in detail, we can go if we know your birth date, then we can guide you onto it perfectly. Of course, this is one part of it. Another part is your house also makes a lot of difference because as per this calendar, new year, the energies are going to change in the universe, and those universal energy, how it changes in your home or which particular sector of the home gets affected or gets good energy or gets a bad energy application, that you have to understand only with this. And if the combination in overall if you put, then you will understand whether in coming year I will be going to face the health problem or not. So thank you viewers for watching our channel Vastu Yash. Stay tuned to it because I am going to explain you how we are going to see your house and the energies in the residence, as well as we are going to discuss which type of businesses are going to run in 2021. So thanks once again. Thank you. Bye bye.